Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you to the Eiffel Tower tour and I'm going to give you some tips, information and share my experience on this Eiffel Tower journey. There are 4 options for tickets, but I bought the ticket with lift access to the top for €29.40. And don't forget to wrap yourself, even the weather is hot, but the top floor is always windy, otherwise you will end up spending only 10 minutes like me. It was chilling cold up there. After getting your ticket from the ticket counter, you have to go through security check. After clearing the security check, you have to wait for the elevator that is going to leave everyone to the second floor, and if you have the ticket to the top floor, you have to take another lift that goes to the top floor from the second floor.
Tout le monde descend, vous devez changer l'ascenseur pour aller au sommet. Second floor, everybody steps out, you need to change lift to get to the top. Remember? Upstairs. Oh, the tower. The tower. They're everywhere. They're down.
You can pre-book your ticket from the Eiffel Tower tour website, which will save you some time, but still you have to wait in the line for the elevator. But if you're someone like me who's buying the ticket on the same day, then it will take you minimum 4 hours to get to the top floor of Eiffel Tower. Because of the long queue depending on the season, I went in summer and it was the peak season.
You're the one who made me come here. Yeah. So if you can do this, you've got no fear of heights anymore. That's it. Exactly.
Here, look at the view over here. That's pretty. Look at the view. This corner. Sebastian.
Oh, the Mona Lisa. Yeah.
Sebastian, look at the view. Look at the view here.
It's gorgeous here though too. You don't have the bars.
Don't look at them.
Look at them. You see it? I don't know what that.
Have you been up here? I went to camp here the other day.
Yep.
You.
Keep going. 26 seconds left. 18. No, we're at the top. This is your first time down. It's the first time down us up here. My ears are popping.
Nó có một cái mức bao nhiêu mét mình chụp được.
Is that what you're saying?
Oh, yeah. Get photos in yours.
No llaman a mi madre, por favor.
Santiago Piro, ¿no? Vet du vad ni?
Such a great when you're coming.
That's the so the planes. Hey, look, there's Arc de Triomphe.
Where's the light show? Can we go down now?
Yes. Want to be a cat? Okay, do this way here.
Oh my god, those are together. Oh, they look
I got the selfie stick all hooked up.
We're just going to be.
It's not. And it's this lens and the lens. The other lens is that one up here is fine. And it gets
I was literally lost in the beautiful views of the Paris city from the Eiffel Tower's top, but I couldn't stay there for more than 10 minutes because it was really windy and I didn't have a jacket. So make sure you don't repeat the same mistake. Now I'm waiting in the queue for the elevator that is going to take me to the second floor, and from the second floor I'm going to take another elevator that's going to take me back to the ground floor. So that was my Eiffel Tower tour journey. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.